Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care to introduce you to the best Middle Part Bob Wig human hair pre-plucked available. Get ready to transform your look with effortless style and elegance. Let's start by delving into what makes this Bob Wig a standout choice. Crafted from 10A grade 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, this wig promises unparalleled quality. It's soft, clean, and comfortable against the skin, ensuring a natural look and feel. What sets this wig apart is its attention to detail. With a transparent lace front and pre-plucked natural hairline, achieving a seamless blend is effortless. Plus, baby hair around the perimeter adds to the authenticity, making it virtually indistinguishable from natural hair. When it comes to quality, this Bob Wig doesn't disappoint. Boasting a 13x6 lace front design and 150% density, it offers fullness and thickness without feeling heavy. The medium Swiss lace is breathable and comfortable, suitable for all-day wear. One of the highlights of this wig is its versatility. Whether you prefer a middle part, side part, or free part style, the options are endless. Plus, it's easy to customize to your liking. Dye it, perm it, bleach it, or style it just like your own hair. Curious about the length? Remember, with curly bob wigs, it's essential to measure from the head rotated to the bottom straightened. And with this purchase, you'll receive not only the natural color curly bob wig but also 2 wig caps and a bonus pair of eyelashes. In conclusion, if you're in search of the ultimate middle part bob wig human hair pre-plucked, look no further. With its premium quality, seamless blend, and versatility, this wig is a game changer in the world of hair care. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the transformation for yourself. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, stay stylish.